Today we're going to be looking at some of the basic Mac settings and features, specifically your dock and your trackpad. The dock is simply this tray down at the bottom where you see all of these various program icons, and the trackpad is your mouse pad. The first thing we're going to look at is your dock. In order to get to any settings you need to look at, you're going to click this icon right here labeled System Preferences. As you can see, it's going to open up this, which has various settings that you can change. What we're going to look at first is our dock, which again is this tray down at the bottom of the page. You simply click dock. You can change the size of your dock depending on how large or small you want it to be. You can change where it is on the screen, whether you want it on the bottom or to either side. You can change how the minimize Windows works. I have it set on Genie effect, and when I open something it flies up and then minimizes back down, kind of like a genie. If I do the scale effect, it just flies up in its full size. You can make changes for what to do when you double click Windows title bar. I have mine set so that when I double click up in the top bar, and it's not going to do it on this particular screen, but you can set it so that it zooms or takes up the entire page. You can decide whether you want to minimize your windows into your application icon down at the bottom. You can animate opening applications. For example, if something was trying to open down here, it would be bouncing. You can see the calculator bouncing right there as it opens. You can hide or decide to always show your dock. Personally, I prefer it to hide down at the bottom and only be visible when I go down to it. Or I can unselect that and it's always down at the bottom. Now, I can either exit out when I'm done, or I can go back to my system preferences. Right now I'm going to go back so that I can show you the trackpad, which again is your mouse pad if you are on a laptop. I click it, and I'm going to start off in point and click. The secondary click is kind of like your right click. That's what you want to happen. I've got mine set to the bottom right corner, so it is a right click. And as you can see, this little video right here shows you exactly where it is. Now if I change it to tab with 2 fingers, you can see in the video that you'll have to use 2 fingers in the center of your mouse pad to click, and that will change the right click. You can also set it to the bottom left-hand corner. You can decide whether you want to be able to click in the middle of the mouse pad in order to select things, or if I deselect it, I'm not going to be able to click using this method. I'm actually going to have to click down here in order to select anything. You can also change your mouse speed. You have some options for zooming, and as you hover over these, you can see exactly what it does in this video over to the side. You can also do the same thing with more gestures. For example, with your launch pad. That shows you all of your programs that you have available on your computer. Now that I'm done, again, I can either go all the way back or I can exit out. Now, if you're not on a laptop and you're on an iMac, you would have some features in here. Now, of course, I don't have a mouse attached to my computer, so it's not going to find anything. But if you do have a mouse hooked up, it will automatically find it on here, and you can set how you click on things. Alright, and that's it for today. I hope that you enjoy using your Mac. Have a great day.